Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making chicken cornbread dressing. For our cornbread dressing, we are going to make our cornbread first. We have cornmeal, we have oil, some butter, an egg, and some buttermilk. We're going to melt our butter into the bottom of our pan. You're going to add your oil to your cornmeal. We're going to add an egg, and we're going to add buttermilk. And then we're going to pour our cornmeal mixture into our pan, and we're going to bake it at 425 for about 20 minutes or until it's golden brown. And this is our cornbread. Now that we have made our cornbread and we let it sit out for a couple of days, now we are going to make our dressing. For our ingredients, we have a chicken, we have broth from our chicken, we have celery, onions, peppers, eggs, and butter. Okay, we're going to crumble up our cornbread. I'm not going to crumble it up too small because once you add your ingredients, it's going to break up on its own. You just want to break the big chunks of your cornbread up. Now I am going to add my chicken. I used dark meat in mine. I didn't use any white meat. I'm going to break my chicken up, and now I'm going to mix my chicken into my cornbread. We're going to add some celery, and we're going to mix that up in our cornbread. Now we have some diced onions, and we're going to mix that up. Now we're going to add our peppers, just a few. Here I have some paprika. I'm gonna sprinkle some paprika. I have some garlic powder. I'm gonna sprinkle some garlic powder. Here I have 4 slices of bread. I'm gonna break those up into little pieces, and I'm gonna add that to my cornbread. I do not use the ends, I only use the middle part. Now we're gonna add in our chicken broth. That's 2 cups. I'm gonna mix that well. Now I'm adding in my butter, and I'm gonna mix that. Now I'm just looking at my cornbread mixture to see how wet I want it. I don't like it too wet, but wet enough. And I added some more chicken broth. I didn't add much chicken broth because I know I have to add my eggs in, and that's gonna make the mixture even wetter. Now I'm gonna add in my eggs. And I'm gonna mix that. And this is the consistency that I like my cornbread. Now I'm going to add it to my baking dish with some butter on the bottom. And I'm going to add it to the oven, my preheated oven. Preheated oven at 350. Here's my cornbread dressing. I did cut it, but I lost some footage so that you can see the inside. It was hot, and I thought I'd let it cool off a little bit, but I didn't turn on the camera. So I'm sorry I didn't get the inside of it. The next time that I make it, I will make sure that I film it and show y'all the inside of my cornbread. But this is my cornbread. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.